Hi everyone, my name is Nishi and welcome back to my channel. So, this is your reading for the month of October. Okay, I'm going to read for all signs starting from Aries to Pisces. You will find your timestamps in the description box. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram. चलो अच्छा वन क्वेश्चन दैट यू गाइस कीप आस्किंग कि हम सन साइन से देखें कि मून साइन से देखें यू कैन बोथ सी फ्रॉम लग्न विच इज योर असेंडेंट साइन एंड योर मून साइन प्लीज डोंट फॉलो योर सन साइन कि आपका बर्थ डेट क्या है और वो सब नहीं ठीक है ओपन योर बर्थ चार्ट सी व्हाट इज योर मून साइन सी व्हाट इज योर असेंडेंट एंड देन वॉच योर ज़ोडिएक साइंस अकॉर्डिंगली देखते हैं एरीज एरीज लग्न एरीज मून महादेव प्लीज बताइए उनकी एनर्जी सबसे पहले कैसी रहेंगी सो एरीज की एनर्जीज अक्टूबर मंथ में कैसी रहेंगी फॉर द साइन ऑफ लग्न एंड मून एरीज लग्न एरीज मून कॉम्प्रोमाइज ओके जस्ट वन मोर कार्ड एरीज लग्न एरीज मून बहुत सारे हैं यहाँ पे भी कुछ आया था आई गेस can't see. Okay, so Aries, for you we have compromise, we have inner voice, and we have courage. So basically, in the month of October you may feel a bit of that you're adjusting too much, that you're compromising too much. Sometimes you may feel like I want to do something, but because of other people, because of other situations, I'm not able to do. So थोड़ा सा आपको ऐसा लगेगा that you're adjusting too much. Okay. Um, However, I feel like as the month passes, as the month goes by, आपको एक your inner voice, your intuition is going to guide you a lot, Aries, in the month of October. So make sure कि आप अपनी intuition की आवाज को अनदेखा ना करें. ठीक है? So you try to listen to your intuition. If your gut is saying something to you, you listen to that. Okay? In some situation, you will also feel like very courageous. You feel like you can take stand, you can be brave. So basically, overall, the energies are looking good so far. ठीक है? आपकी prediction देखते हैं Aries. So in the month of October, what all Aries can expect? What all Aries can expect in the month of October? Three of Pentacles, so definitely your professional connection is growing, Aries. Okay, you are networking with more people. Some of you, there is a business expansion. Some of you, like if you are doing your business, so you can also add up some few extra services. You may do some more add-ons to your services. Your business may expand. You may get more clients. और अगर आप एक जॉब वर्कर हो तो आपको ओवरऑल मुझे लग रहा है कि आपका प्रोफेशनल नेटवर्क बढ़ सकता है ठीक है इंक्रीज हो सकता है ओके देयर कुड बी सम you may feel like the bosses are becoming too bossy with you and Aries generally don't like that because Aries are ruled by Mars and you guys usually have tend to have more ego and more temperament so आपको थोड़ा सा उसे कंट्रोल करने की जरूरत है Aries I feel like कि in the month of October just be careful with what you're talking तो आपका टंग जो है वो यू हैव टू माइंड योर टंग एंड यू हैव टू बी लिटिल सॉफ्ट ओके टोन डाउन बेसिकली वरना आपके क्लैशेस हो जाएंगे लोगों से व्हाट एल्स टू ऑफ वॉन्ड्स तो कुछ एक चीज है जिसमें आपको कंफ्यूजन हो सकती है आप डिसीजन लेने की कोशिश कर रहे हो आई ऑल्सो सी ट्रेवल्स फॉर यू इन द सेकेंड हाफ एरीज Two of Cups. Oh, wow. Okay. Some of you may also make new connections. Some of you may meet new people. Okay. Or some of you may come across new people when you're traveling. तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है ठीक है but I feel like here as the month ends yeah start of next month you may also make new connections Aries which is very good. Two of Wands यहाँ क्यों आया है please clarify कीजिए. Okay, Page of Pentacles. Some of you may also plan to do maybe a job change. Maybe some of you are planning your finances for the future. तो जैसे होता है ना कि एक काम आप already कर रहे हो now you are also thinking of doing some side hustle. So you may do some plans make some plans, do some research around that. तो ये मुझे लग रहा है. तो basically overall आपका जो month of October is looking very good for you, Aries. Just make sure that you tone down a little bit. Okay, as I say, there could be some clashes with masculine figure. तो या तो अगर आपका बॉस है, स्पेशली अगर वो एक मेल बॉस है, तो आपका थोड़ा सा ईगो क्लैशेस हो सकते हैं उसके साथ. या if there is a male counterpart, could be in the form of boyfriend or your colleagues, उनसे थोड़ा सा आपका बहस वगैरह हो सकता है. I also see you traveling in the second half, जैसा मैंने आपको बोला. So overall basically the month is looking good. Okay, so let's check your guidance, Aries. 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 Suddenly मुझे ऐसा लगा that I saw a shadow passing by. Aries, what would you like to guide them? Oh, this is so scary, guys, because I just told you that I felt like there was a shadow passing by. And the card I have is you are not alone. Like I live alone in my apartment, okay? So, anyways, this message is not for me because I'm not Aries. This is for you. Okay, so we are here for you. We never left. Through all the sadness and loneliness, however, you cannot sense us near you or feel how much love we are sending you. We are your family, friends, and guides. You never walk alone. We walk right beside you. Sorry. So, I think, I don't know, I feel like there is some relation with the shadow which I just saw. Okay, maybe your past loved ones are trying to connect with you at this time. You may see them in their dreams, or they may try to give you some signs and signals, Aries. So just be careful in the month of October if you are getting any sort of weird dreams, or the dreams of your past loved ones. So basically what they're trying to say is that they're always with you, and they are sending you all the love and care. Okay, and they're always walking next to you. So if you feel that I'm alone, in any situation you feel that I'm alone, or I'm helpless, I'm powerless, I don't know what to do, you just call upon your higher self. You just call upon your guides, your ancestors, and seek their help, and they will come in any form and shape to help you. Okay, so that's your guidance. Wow. Wow, what a magical reading. Reading to Taurus. So महादेव, टॉरस की क्या एनर्जीज रहेंगी अक्टूबर 2024 में? October 2024 में already I have two cards. Wow, turning in and consciousness. Oh, I love this card. I love this card of turning in. Can you see? Yeah. So basically this card is, see how this lady has a lot of chaos outside her, right? You see so many shadows, but she is so much in tune to herself that she does not care about the chaos. So that's exactly how your energy is going to be, Taurus, in the month of October, that you will not care about the chaos. You will not care about what people are thinking, talking, saying about me. Your goal, your focus should be on your goal. बेसिकली मुझे ये करना है, मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता कि कोई मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहा है, कोई क्या समझ रहा है, कोई मुझे सपोर्ट कर रहा है, नहीं कर रहा है. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी गोल ओरिएंटेड, यू हैव टू बी वेरी फोकस्ड इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर, which I believe you will be, क्योंकि ये आपकी ही energies हैं. But in case if you kind of deviate, okay, this is your guidance. And then we have consciousness. Conscious is just your higher self. Your higher self is going to guide you. You're going to feel things, okay? सबकॉन्शियस लेवल पे आप बहुत कुछ फील करोगे, एंड आपको बस ध्यान देना. यू जस्ट हैव टू फोकस on what all kind of messages, streams that is coming to you to guide you in the month of October. Okay, beautiful. Let's see what all my Taurus can expect. Taurus, October 2024, Lagna and Moon. Lagna and Moon. Page of Wands, new opportunities, new people connecting to you. You could feel more open in communication. You could feel more open about meeting and talking with new people. ठीक है. Some of you may also rejoin your hobbies. So for example, if you like painting, you may just go for painting classes. So ऐसा भी मुझे दिख रहा है. Some of you could be, recovering from some past loss. Okay. Uh, Give me one more, please. Why is this tower here? Why is tower here? Okay. Okay. So Taurus, see. Um, I feel like you're becoming more open. Okay, you're more open to make connections. You're more open to meet with new people, talk with new people. Okay, थोड़ा सा आप of course you require some rest also. So don't overload yourself with a lot of things in the month of October, especially if you feel like you're fatigued, you're drained, and you can't just deal with it. Take a moment, take a break for yourself. Okay, I feel like, see, some of you are likely to get some financial losses, and it is going to come in very sudden, like बहुत sudden आएगा और you will feel terrible. So be very careful with what you're spending, where you're spending, who you're giving your money to. And so basically finances को लेके थोड़ा सा आपको यहाँ पे careful रहना पड़ेगा. Okay. Now I feel like this message will not resonate with a lot of you, but recent past में there is something terrible that has happened to you. Okay, अब वो आपके फाइनेंस फैमिली से रिलेटेड हो सकता है, आपके फाइनेंसेस से रिलेटेड हो सकता है. But whatever this terrible thing happened to you in the recent past, okay, this has caused you a lot of pain, of course, but it has also given you lessons. Okay, उन lessons को आपको ध्यान में रखना है. That's the very specific message which I'm getting, and I know it will not resonate with a lot of you, but since it's there on the card, so I have to say. ओके तो जो भी आपने अपने रिसेंट पास्ट में लेसन्स लर्न किए हैं टॉरस, यू हैव टू learn from those mistakes and then not repeat them again in the future. Okay, अक्टूबर एंड में या फिर नेक्स्ट मंथ प्रोबेबली आपको कुछ एक नई अपॉर्चुनिटी, कोई नया आइडिया, कुछ एक नया समथिंग न्यू इज कमिंग, और this could be a result of all the past efforts and all the past things that you went through. जैसे होता है ना, कभी कभी हम बहुत मेहनत करते हैं पर हमें कुछ रिजल्ट नहीं मिलता, और फिर सडनली हमें उस चीज का रिजल्ट मिलता है, हमें रिवॉर्ड मिलता है. तो ये एस ऑफ सॉर्ड्स मुझे थोड़ा वैसा वाइब दे रहा है कि पास्ट में आपने जो मेहनत करी है, जो काम किया है, उसका आपको एकदम सडन रिजल्ट मिलेगा. ओके, सो दैट इज गुड. And guys, don't get distracted, as I told you. Don't get distracted with what is going around you. Okay, that is just an illusion. You focus on your inner self. Focus, try to listen your inner voice, try to listen to your gut, and then take a decision. Okay, and do not repeat your mistakes. That's the only message I can give you for now. All right, let's see what is your guidance, Taurus. For the month of October, आपकी क्या guidance है? फॉर द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर आपकी क्या गाइडेंस है? सेल्फ सेबोटाज. देखो कार्ड भी वही बोल रहा है. ठीक है, कार्ड क्या बोल रहा है टॉरस, कि आपको खुद से चीजें खराब नहीं करनी है. Okay, when you learn to get out of your own way, there will be no stopping you. Most of the time it's not others who prevent you from achieving your true goals, it's that inner voice that derails those carefully woven plans. So basically, see what I told you in the start, कि आपको बाहर लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं उनसे फोकस नहीं करना है. ठीक है, कोई मुझे बोलता है कि तुम क्यों इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो, कुछ नहीं होने वाला, गो गेट अ बेटर जॉब. आई डोंट केयर व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. I believe in myself and I know that I can do it. And then whatever the world says, it does not matter to me. राइट, सो आपको सेल्फ सेबोटाज नहीं करना है. बाकी जो लोग बोल रहे हैं वो तो आपको डेफिनेटली नहीं सुनना है, बट आपको खुद से भी नेगेटिव टॉकिंग नहीं करनी है. ओके, आई टोल्ड यू, जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर गोल, देन फॉरगेट अबाउट एवरीथिंग एल्स. कौन क्या बोल रहा है, कौन क्या सोच रहा है, आई डोंट केयर. Okay, so that should be your attitude for the month of October. Show me the energies for Gemini in the month of October, please. The source and stress and transformation. Wow. So, see, Gemini, the month of October could be a little stressful for you because of the constant transformations that keeps happening. Yeah, I don't know, I feel like it's the same card had come or the similar energy had come for you in the month of September also. मुझे जहां तक आपकी रीडिंग याद आ रही है जो मैंने अभी लास्ट करी थी, I was telling you guys that there is going to be change in your life and you have to accept it with open arms. And please correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, okay? But यहाँ पे भी बहुत ही similar energy मुझे यहाँ पे दिख रही है आपके लिए Gemini, that you know there is going to be transformations in and around you, and you have to be okay with that, because if you don't, then it is going to be stressful for you. Okay, so the more you get comfortable with things happening and things changing around you, the more it is going to go smooth for you. Okay, if you feel too stressed, maybe connect to some source of energy. Just say, see, in my life, the source of energy could be my father, could be my family, could be my God, my prayers, my meditation. So हम सबकी life में there is some source of energy जहाँ पे whenever we feel too drained, we go to that thing, we reclaim our power and we come back, right? So October में आपको भी similarly you have to connect with your source of energy and then reclaim your power and come back. Otherwise, it is going to be very stressful for you, Gemini. Okay. And the more you accept changes, just be open for it. Just tell the universe that you're okay with whatever is happening. Okay. Gemini. October, May. What can my Geminis expect? They go, oh, damn it. See, Tower card ही पहला card है. Actually, these two cards are same. Transformation is also change and Tower is also change, right? So, as I was talking, that transformation is there for you, Gemini. But the more you don't accept it, the more it is going to be hectic on you. Let me tell you that there can be some very sudden changes, losses, which will definitely make you uncomfortable in the beginning, but it is for your own good. Okay, chalo, let's see Gemini के लिए क्या आ रहा है in the month of October. There can be some trips and travels, Gemini. Someone could come towards you, okay, and speak to you. Someone could come and come into your life, but this particular person is not consistent. Okay, so you be careful that the faster they come, the faster they may leave also. Okay, there is a lot of uncertainty I see in your love life. You need to make certain decisions when it comes to your love life, but you are not able to do that. तो एक थोड़ा सा क्या होता है ना, when we are supposed to take certain decision but we don't take it, the more we delay it, that is when the tower moment comes. Okay, चाहे आप ये लव का मैटर हो चाहे दुनिया का कोई भी मैटर हो, अगर आप if you become stuck and stuck and stuck and you keep holding the energy, you don't let it free flow, what happens, tower moment comes, it all burst out. ठीक है, जैसे वो पानी का पाइप होता है ना, अगर आप एक जगह से उसको दबा दोगे एंड यू डोंट लेट द वाटर फ्लो, व्हाट विल हैपन, पाइप एकदम से ब्लास्ट होगा, सारा पानी बाहर आ जाएगा. सो टावर मोमेंट भी ऐसे ही है. द मोर यू ट्राई टू कंट्रोल द एनर्जी, द मोर यू ट्राई टू just hold it, that is when you get the tower moment. Ace of Wands. Some of you definitely getting new opportunity in work, in love as well. Okay. One more. So start of the month, Gemini, could be a little hectic for you, okay? But second half में things are looking way better. Okay? Two of Wands यहाँ आया है. क्या है ये Two of Wands? और ये Tower क्या है? Hmm. Acha, Gemini also, some of you, I feel like you may take a very uh, hurry decision, like decision with regards to your career and job. तो कोई भी डिसीजन आपको हरी में नहीं लेना है, ठीक है? कि आज बहुत थक गए काम करते हुए रेजिग्नेशन डाल दिया। ओके, सो ऐसा कोई भी डिसीजन आपको जल्दबाजी में नहीं लेना है, ठीक है? ऑल्दो फ्यूचर में आप यू विल बी फाइन, बट देन ट्राई टू थिंक again before you are going to take a very एकदम hasty decision नहीं लेना है basically. Okay, so some of you may feel very drained. आपकी energy मुझे काफी low लग रही है. Either there could be a lot of work load on you, either there could be a lot of responsibilities on you, or when it comes to the matters of love, some of you are feeling like you're the only one putting all the efforts. तो बहुत ही one sided situation लग रही है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से यू जस्ट फील लाइक कि अरे छोड़ो अब भागो यहाँ से. ओके, there is also some decision that you need to make, Gemini, with regards to a soulmate connection. So there is a soulmate connection, but you need to take certain decisions with regards to that. Okay, न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी आ रही है, थोड़ा सा आप ध्यान रखो. Your anger needs to go down, Gemini. If you are very stubborn, if you are temperamental, you need to again tone down a little bit. Gemini की guidance. Have fun. Stop. When was the last time you had fun? When was the last time you took a chance and did something silly? Something totally unlike you, something just for the joy of it. It is long overdue for you to let go of your analytical mind, of course, Geminis, and give yourself and your soul permission to have fun. So basically, Gemini, थोड़ा सा energy यहाँ पे heavy लग रहा है cards में, which is why you are being guided towards having fun. Okay, so थोड़ा सा relax करो, थोड़ा आगे बढ़ो, थोड़ा सा chill मारो, घूमो फिरो, तो ज़्यादा stress लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. That's what your guides are saying. ठीक है? Maybe do some silly things that you never think of doing. Cancer. कैंसर, अक्टूबर में कैंसर का कैसा रहेगा एनर्जीज? प्रोजेक्शन एंड वन मोर, इनोसेंस. So Cancer, see, I feel like in the month of October you have to be a little careful of how you are perceiving things, okay? Because sometimes you may not be able to see the right thing. Basically जो आपको दिख रहा है वो सच नहीं, illusion हो सकता है, और जो आपको नहीं दिख रहा है वो सच हो सकता है. Okay, you may also experience a lot of falseness. मतलब लोग जैसे आपको दिखाएंगे, अपने आप को प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे, वो वैसे नहीं होंगे. ओके, सो यहाँ पे ना मुझे थोड़ा सा विजन का प्रॉब्लम दिख रहा है, एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट लिटरली योर आई विजन, बट एक होता है ना कि एक यू गेज अ पर्सन, यू गेज अ सिचुएशन, उसमें मुझे आपके प्रॉब्लम दिख रहा है. ओके, यू गोइंग टू फील इल्यूशनल, डिल्यूशनल, यू मे नॉट सी द ट्रूथ. सो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे आपकी इमेच्योर एनर्जी बाहर आ रही है. तो आई वुड से कि स्पेशली इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर ट्राई टू मेक डिसीजन आफ्टर कंसल्टिंग विद मल्टीपल पीपल, या आफ्टर कंसल्टिंग विद योर जो भी आपका गाइड है आपकी लाइफ में, उनसे कंसल्ट करके ही आप डिसीजन लो, चाहे वो छोटा डिसीजन हो या बड़ा डिसीजन हो. बिकॉज आई फील लाइक कि यहाँ पे इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर थोड़ा डिसीजन मेकिंग में आपको प्रॉब्लम होगा कैंसर. ओके, चलो. कैंसर, कैंसर अक्टूबर, Cancer in the month of October. Some news could travel to you. There could be some news, some people coming towards you. थोड़े से यहाँ पे travels भी मुझे दिख रहे हैं जो हो सकते हैं. Okay, what else? कैंसर, बहुत ज़्यादा आपको हीलिंग और लर्निंग की ज़रूरत है, दोनों. आप खुद को हील भी करो, ठीक है? हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू हील? मे बी गो फॉर प्रेयर्स, मेडिटेशन, और जो भी आपके लिए वर्क करता है. बट यहाँ पे मुझे लर्निंग की भी बहुत ज़रूरत लग रही है। तो जो भी आपने लर्न किया है, जितना भी किया है, वेरी गुड, बट ट्राई टू नाउ अपस्किल योरसेल्फ, ओके। कुछ सम ऑफ यू, आई ऑल्सो फील कि यू मे गेट इनटू स्पिरिचुअल लर्निंग। जैसे मान लो कि आप टैरो आपने सीख के रखा हुआ है, नाउ यू ऑल्सो वांट टू लर्न आकाशिक, नाउ यू ऑल्सो वांट टू लर्न एस्ट्रोलॉजी, ठीक है। तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है सम ऑफ यू में मूव टूवर्ड्स स्पिरिचुअल लर्निंग। कैंसर, कैंसर, सी द टाइम इज चेंजिंग, ओके, इट्स चेंजिंग, बट जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि कभी भी कोई चीज जब ट्रांसफॉर्म होती है, जब चेंज होती है ना, इट मे मेक यू अ लिटिल अनकंफर्टेबल इन द बिगिनिंग, कि आपको ऐसा लग सकता है वो शिट, मेरी पूरी दुनिया इधर से उधर हिल रही है, बट देन इवेंचुअली आप रियलाइज करते हो कि अच्छा हाँ, थैंक गॉड दिस हैपेंड, ओके। सो यू बिकम ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट चेंज लेटर ऑन व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि ये तो मेरे अच्छे के लिए था। सो एनी चेंज इफ यू सी हैपनिंग, कैंसर, इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर ना, जस्ट हैव सम पेशेंस, क्योंकि लेटर ऑन व्हाट यू विल नोटिस कि वो चेंज जो था, इट एंडेड अप ब्रिंगिंग गुड थिंग्स फॉर यू, ओके। तो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे पेशेंस की जरूरत है आपको, कैंसर, बहुत ज्यादा। वर्क में आई सी यू डूइंग गुड, ओके। वन मोर, wow, and then there is new love. Some of you are literally getting new love. Some of you are getting new love through workplace, okay. Some of you could be getting proposals, like someone is confessing their love to you, okay. But I feel like overall the cards are looking good. It's just that you have to be patient, okay. In the month of October, you have to not jump to conclusion. Try to not make any big decision in the month of October, and if you have to make, then please go to an expert, consult the right people, and then do it, ठीक है। बाकी keep yourself grounded, balance your emotions and your practical life, learn something new ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड। तो ये अक्टूबर का महीना लर्निंग के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, तो कुछ लर्न करो, कुछ नया सीखो। ओह, ओह, मैंने पूछा भी नहीं था, बट ठीक है। Memories. Your memories are like diamonds in the treasure chest of your spirit. More and more memories are arising within you. Remember the happier moments with your loved ones who are here in the spirit world, for neither time nor distance can stop the energy of love that you have for one another. Wow. So, some of you, you may feel very nostalgic in the month of October. You may miss your past loved ones, ठीक है। तो जो आपकी लाइफ में अभी नहीं है ना, आप उनके बारे में सोच सकते हो। दिस कुड बी योर पेरेंट्स, योर ब्रदर, सिस्टर, फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, लवर्स, ओके। सो एंड दे आर सेइंग इज कि यू मे एक्सपीरियंस अ मेमोरी लेन इन योर लाइफ, कि आप उनको बहुत मिस कर रहे हो, बट जस्ट नो दैट दोज आर द पीपल, दोज आर द स्पिरिट्स who are actually watching over you, who are actually seeing you. They are there with you, and it's a very similar message that I got for Aries also. So some of you could be connecting with Aries, or maybe you have strong Aries in your own chart. Na to time, na distance, okay. So there's no time, there's no distance in the spirit world. They are there with you, they are there next to you, they're watching you constantly, okay. So you can connect with them through your higher self anytime you want to, okay. So basically, a lot of nostalgia is going to be there for you in the month of October, Cancers. लियो की एनर्जीज कैसी रहेंगी अक्टूबर में, महादेव मुझे बताइए। द बर्डन, ओके, ओके। ओ, यहाँ पे दो हैं, turning in and success. Okay. There's going to be see, Leos, you're going to feel a little burdened, okay, in the start of the month. You may feel like there's a lot of responsibilities on you. Some of you may also get added work, added responsibilities. अगर आपका business है, तो हो सकता है आपके क्लाइंट्स बढ़ जाएं, उसकी वजह से आप थोड़े से फटीग्ड फील करो, या फिर कोई आए और आपसे बोले कि नाउ यू हैव टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू दिस थिंग एंड दैट थिंग, तो आपको थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे बर्डन महसूस हो सकता है, बट दैट इज ऑल राइट, लियो। जस्ट डू सम मेडिटेशन, यू नो जस्ट टर्न इन, बाहर का केओस पे ध्यान नहीं देखे, अंदर खुद पे ध्यान देना है। You can do some breathing exercises if you want to. okay, because I eventually see you getting success. यहाँ पे literally success का कार्ड आया है और यहाँ पे लियो वाला साइन भी है, like there is a tiger lion, I don't know क्या बना है ये, I think tiger है, ठीक है. So guys, basically you know there is, you're going to succeed Leo, okay. और जब भी आप succeed होने वाले होते हो ना, तो there is of course a little added efforts you have to do, but that's fine, that's life, right. आप जो भी मेहनत आज कर रहे हो लियो, उसका कल आपको इतना डबल ट्रिपल फायदा मिलेगा ना, that you will be, then you will not feel the fatigue at all, मतलब आपको वो चीज वर्थ लगने लग जाएगी. Okay, all right, चलो. Leo, what is coming for Leo in the month of October? What is coming for Leo in the month of October? Five of Cups, Six of Cups. Okay. What is coming for Leo in the month of October? Seven of Swords. What is coming for Leo in the month of October? The World. The Page of Cups. और कुछ है क्या यहाँ पे? Okay. So Leo, see, some of you, I feel like you're going to have a lot of nostalgia. Okay, अगर आपके past में कोई था, कोई आपका ex boyfriend, ex girlfriend, तो there is going to be some nostalgia around that. Okay, you may start missing someone. You may have that situation. Some of you, you know, there could also be some regrets with regards to the past. अब ये किसी past friend के लिए भी हो सकता है, family के लिए भी हो सकता है. बट यहाँ पे मुझे थोड़े बहुत रिग्रेट्स दिख रहे हैं. ओके, व्हाई इज देयर अ सेवन ऑफ सॉर्ड्स? ओफो. सी, सम ऑफ यू, you know, you may have this tendency to walk away. जैसे थोड़ी बहुत भी अगर प्रॉब्लम आती है, you just walk away. You don't want to face it. Okay, so Leo, just try to be more in your power, basically. So don't try to avoid the situation, try to solve the situation. Okay, I also feel like for some of you, right, there could be someone from your past who may want to stalk you. Okay, आपके past से हो सकता है कि कोई इंसान आपको reach out करे, जिसकी वजह से there is a memory lane. Okay, जिसकी वजह से आपको वो सारी चीजें, वो सारे past traumas आपको याद आने लग जाए. So for example, you know, your ex is trying to reach you and now you just start remembering all the bad things that he did to you or she did to you. Okay, so यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा अपने emotions को आपको control करना है. You have to take charge of your emotions. You have to turn in. ठीक है, आपके एनर्जी में आया था ना. So you have to turn inside. You have to take charge of your emotions. मतलब emotions को control करना है. Don't let your emotions control you. Okay, is what I'm saying. थोड़े बहुत यहाँ पे sleep compromise हो सकती है. Some of you, you know, may feel like you're not getting proper sleep क्योंकि आप overthink कर रहे हो. Okay, so till the 15th of October, I feel like यहाँ पे नींद का थोड़ा आपको problem हो सकता है. But eventually I see you succeeding. ठीक है, travel card, sorry, world card आया है. Some of you could also travel. Some of you get, you know, international opportunities. अगर आपको इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल करना है और कुछ कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, तो आई सी दैट ऑल ऑफ दोज प्रॉब्लम्स विल गो अवे. यहाँ पे इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल मुझे दिख रहा है. अदरवाइज नॉर्मल एक सिटी से दूसरे सिटी या एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट आप ट्रैवल कर सकते हो. for some of you there could be some connections from, you know, like आपको हो सकता है डेटिंग ऐप के थ्रू आपको कोई कनेक्शन मिले या किसी मैट्रिमनी के थ्रू आपको कोई कनेक्शन मिले. सो बेसिकली आई सी सम, you know, opportunities coming to you. ठीक है, ये मोस्टली मुझे लव अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड ट्रैवल अपॉर्चुनिटीज लग रही हैं. दिस कुड ऑल्सो बी वर्क अपॉर्चुनिटीज. सो इवेंचुअली, यू नो, आपका जो एक थोड़ा सा टफ फेज है, यू नो, फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द अक्टूबर मुझे थोड़ा सा टफ लग रहा है लियोज आपके लिए. बट एज द मंथ गोज बाय, यू आर गोइंग टू फील अ लॉट बेटर. ठीक है, एंड यू आर गोइंग टू फील सक्सेस बेसिकली. ओके, चलो गाइडेंस लियो के लिए. लियो के लिए गाइडेंस, गाइडेंस फॉर लियो प्लीज. Strength. Oh my god. Oh my god. See, I'll tell you. सबसे पहले ये क्या कार्ड आया, सक्सेस, विच इज अ स्ट्रेंथ कार्ड, क्योंकि इसमें टाइगर या लायन बना है. उसके बाद आपको फिर से स्ट्रेंथ कार्ड आया, विच इज अगेन योर कार्ड, लियो, सेकेंड कार्ड. ओके, एंड नाउ सी थर्ड. तो मतलब ये तो मैजिक ही हो गया. तीसरी बार आपका ही कार्ड आपकी रीडिंग में आया है. ओके, बहुत जरूरत है आपको गिव अप नहीं करने की. आपको, you know, Leo, sometimes, you may feel like you're powerless, like things are not in your control, but that's not true. Okay, you have a lot of power because you have the sign of power. मतलब लियो आपके ही zodiac sign में बनाया है, so you have a lot of strength. It's just that sometimes, you forget that, you forget how powerful you are. You just have to keep reminding yourself that कि मैं कर सकती हूँ, मैं कर सकती हूँ, मुझसे होगा, मुझसे ही होगा. ठीक है. So some affirmations you can start chanting in the month of October. Strength comes from many sources. Staying strong brings confidence, conviction, and a balanced body, mind, and soul. Spirit has its own unique and beautiful way of replenishing your soul with strength on a continual basis. You're never really alone, we're always with you. So basically, they are saying that, whenever you feel powerless, whenever you feel helpless, okay, just know that you have a lot of strength, and you also have source of strength. मतलब आपके पास हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ रहेगा, लियो. ठीक है. फ्यूचर में भी अगर कभी आपको ऐसा लगे ना कि आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव एनी ऑप्शन लेफ्ट, यू विल ऑलवेज हैव वन ऑप्शन. ऑलवेज ऑलवेज ऑलवेज. ठीक है. मतलब मेरी बात पे आप ध्यान देना, कभी भी आपको ऐसा लगे कि मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, आपके पास होगा. because your spirit guides are always there with you. Okay, so you'll always have option. It's just that आपको हो सकता है कि आप इतने हेजी हो जाओ कि आपको वो दिखे ना उस मोमेंट पे, but you will have it. Wow. That was so deep. Virgo. Virgo. So Virgo, for you we have healing and intensity. So definitely a lot of, oh my god, Virgos, last time भी आपके लिए same message आया था क्या? Okay, I don't remember your last reading which I did like a week back, but let me know in the comments if you had a very similar message, because here they are telling me that you need to heal from something. Oh no, 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 wait. I think it was for Scorpio. Some of you could be connecting with a Scorpio as well, or may have a strong Scorpio in your own chart, okay? So somewhere I feel that Virgo, you there is a need for you to heal yourself out of something. ओके, या तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा वर्कलोड हो सकता है, बिकॉज वर्कोज आर एक्चुअली परफेक्शनिस्ट. दे जस्ट वांट थिंग्स विद परफेक्शन. ओके, और उसमें क्या होता है ना, समटाइम्स दे ऑल्सो फील फटीग, बट दे इग्नोर इट बिकॉज दे वांट द वर्क टू बी डन ऑन टाइम विद परफेक्शन. सो यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा हीलिंग की ज़रूरत मुझे लग रही है. रेस्ट, देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी इन यू, स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर वर्क एंड थिंग्स दैट यू वांट. आपको बस वो परफेक्शन के साथ चाहिए, एंड यू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ इंटेंसिटी एफर्ट्स इनटू दैट. ओके, वर्गो, व्हाट कैन माय वर्गोस एक्सपेक्ट? सो वर्गोस क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं महादेव? अक्टूबर में वर्गोस क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं? Nine of Swords, Six of Pentacles. There could be some stress around money, सपोर्ट, स्टेबिलिटी. ओके, थोड़ा सा आपको ऐसा लग सकता है कि यार एम आई लूजिंग इट. ओके, सो थोड़ा सा एडेड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी मुझे यहाँ पे लग रही हैं आपको लेके वर्क को. The work competition may increase. Some of you may feel like people are just getting very competitive of you. People are getting jealous of you. And this is, actually building a lot of stress and insecurities in you. आपको, there could come a moment in October where you feel like everyone is competing with me, nobody is standing with me, oh I'm alone, I'm scared, I don't know what will happen, I don't know what to do next. Okay, so इस तरह की insecurities आपके मन में आ सकती हैं. Okay, but that's not true, Virgo. I feel like कि see, some things are real and some things we overthink and we make it real because our thoughts become things. अगर मुझे लगेगा कि ये सब मुझसे जलते हैं तो एक्चुअली ऐसे ऐसी चीजें सामने होने लग जाएंगी जिससे बहुत एविडेंट हो जाएगा कि लोग मुझसे जलते हैं. Whereas if I feel that I am being loved by everyone, then universe will make it very evident for me that I'm being loved with everyone by everyone. Okay, so you also need to be little careful of what you're thinking, basically. Okay, one more, one more. Rest, Virgo, I would say just also be a little careful of your money. Okay, it could get theft, you may just lose it accidentally. Okay, or otherwise कोई financial loss भी हो सकता है, so be careful. There is a need for you to connect with your friends, your family members, go for reunions. Okay, make connections, meet with new people. तो ये जो आपका एक सेंस ऑफ लोनलीनेस कार्ड्स में दिख रहा है ना, दैट विल गो अवे. ओके, अगर आपको लग रहा है that I'm feeling very lonely, go talk to your friends, call them, ask them what are they planning for the weekend, go join them. Okay, but don't stay alone if you feel like you are feeling lonely from within or you have certain insecurities or any trauma is triggering for you. ठीक है, बाकी हाँ, वर्क वाइज मनी वाइज थोड़ा स्ट्रेस हो सकता है आपको इस महीने. वर्गो, वर्गो, a father's love. Okay, a father's love for his son or daughter never dies. The strength gained from such love is often unquantifiable in that it can be tapped into any time for whatever reason. Whether your father is still here or has passed, a father's love is one of the strong bonds any of us will ever experience. Okay, so some of you, there is you could be missing your father. Okay, some of you are guided towards connecting with your parents, especially your father. Okay, you may feel a lot relaxed and you may have this healing. जो यहाँ पे हम healing की बात कर रहे थे ना, so after connecting with your parents, especially with your father, you may feel healed. Okay, and there is also a possibility that your fathers may need you at this time. For those who do not have father, you could have father figures, you could have someone you look up to. Okay, आप उनकी मदद करो, उनके साथ थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करो, and you will also heal and they will also heal, so it's going to be a mutual benefit here. Okay, Libra ascendant and moon, Libra ascendant and moon, October energies, Libra ascendant and moon, October energies. Letting go. So Libra, I think you are, you're holding up a lot, Libra. You're holding up a lot. And I don't blame you because you are the sign that is governed, ruled by Venus. Okay, and Venus has this tendency to hold on. Okay, especially in the matters of whether we talk about materialistic gains, yeah, we talk about relationships, marriages. Okay, because Venus has a lot of devotion. और लिब्रा के साथ भी एक ये चीज है ना कि इट ऑलवेज ट्राइज टू ब्रिंग हार्मनी एंड ब्रिंग बैलेंस. भले ही वो सिचुएशन ऐसी हो जहाँ पे आपको लेट गो करने की जरूरत है, बट लिब्रा टेंड्स टू होल्ड इट बैक because it does not like to lose relationships. So in this, the month of October, Libra, somewhere you may have this tendency to let go because you can't hold it back anymore. You could feel very tired in some situation that you want nothing but to let go of this. Okay, And once you do that, you will feel immense harmony and peace within yourself, because at the end of the day, that's what matters for Libra: peace and harmony and balance, because आप लोग का तो साइन भी तराजू होता है, right? So you want balance in situations. What can my Libra expect in the month of October? तो Libra क्या expect कर सकते हैं अक्टूबर में? प्लीज हमें बताइए, प्लीज हमें बताइए. Star energy. Now, star itself is a card of peace and harmony and balance. So, Libra, some of you, your finances are also increasing, getting better. Some of you could also go for travels. थोड़ा दूर आप जा सकते हैं ट्रैवल के लिए. May do a lot of self work. मतलब आप बहुत सेल्फ लव, सेल्फ वर्क प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, सेल्फ पैम्परिंग करेंगे बहुत ज़्यादा, ठीक है. बट यू आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फील बेटर. सो यू आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग. जो भी हो, बस मुझे अच्छा फील करना है. ये एक आपके अंदर एक है ना, एक वो आ गया है कि मुझे आई वांट टू फील बेटर. नाउ आई विल डू एनीथिंग टू एक्सपीरियंस दैट. व्हाट एल्स? Ace of Wands. So once you do self love, once you practice self love, obviously you're going to attract new opportunities, right? Because universe will notice that. 6 of Wands, मैंने जैसा बोला आपको कि ट्रैवल यहाँ पे मुझे दिख रहा है आपके लिए. 2 of Swords, मंथ एंड में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है आपको. Why is there 2 of Swords? Why is there a 2 of Swords? ठीक है, okay. So, Libra, see, definitely some new financial opportunity coming your way. Some new connection is also coming your way. I feel like somebody could be very, very attracted to you, or you could be very attracted to someone else. You could connect with someone new. ओके, अक्टूबर मंथ में यहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ा सा ट्रैवल होता हुआ दिख रहा है. सम ऑफ यू कुड ऑल्सो ट्रैवल टू रिलीजियस प्लेसेस, ओके, टू फील बेटर, बिकॉज यू वांट टू हील योरसेल्फ. एंड यूजुअली लोग हीलिंग के लिए क्या करते हैं? दे गो फॉर ट्रैवल्स टू हील देमसेल्व्स, राइट? थोड़ा सा समटाइम्स यू मे गेट स्टक बिटवीन द राइट एंड रॉन्ग. मतलब आप क्या करते हो? यू डू ऑल द गुड थिंग एंड देन सडनली यू गेट कंफ्यूज्ड एंड यू फील लाइक देयर इज नो लाइट इन द टनल. ओके, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि पता नहीं मैं जो कर रही हूँ ये सही है कि नहीं. सो यू स्टार्ट डाउटिंग योरसेल्फ. तो वो डाउट मुझे आपका अराउंड मंथ एंड या सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ अक्टूबर में आता हुआ दिख रहा है. सो यू आर बेसिकली डूइंग ऑल द राइट थिंग्स एंड देन सडनली यू आर लाइक, what am I doing? Am I even doing the right thing? Where am I going? So all these questions may come into your mind. ठीक है. Also, please be careful of your tone, your temperament, your behavior, especially with other females. So क्योंकि Libra is governed by Venus, okay, now Venus represents female, so make sure कि आप किसी फीमेल को डिसरिस्पेक्ट ना करें. ओके, अक्टूबर में you can give them something if you want. You can like, just be respectful, just be nice to them, okay, and take care of your temperament. You may have some issues with female people, like your female bosses, in case you have a female counterparts. तो थोड़ा सा आपको संभल के रहना है, क्योंकि आपको लड़कियों से झगड़ा नहीं करना. ओके, ऑल राइट Libra. One guidance for Libra. Vulnerability. Okay. So this is confirmation that you are seeking to tread into the unknown, unfamiliar territory where decisions are based more on intuition than rationality. Don't let your fear hold you back or allow a misguided sense that feeling vulnerable is somehow a negative condition. देखो, wow. So basically the guides are saying that, in the month of October, you may feel little vulnerable. You may feel like, what am I doing? वो जो मैंने आपको बोला ना कि आपको सडनली ऐसा रियलाइजेशन होता है कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, कहाँ जा रही हूँ, मेरा क्या होगा, वगैरह वगैरह. सो यू मे हैव सर्टेन फियर्स आउट ऑफ नोवेयर, आपको मन में आ सकते हैं. ओके, बट प्लीज डोंट फील दैट जस्ट बिकॉज यू फीलिंग वल्नरेबल विच मीन्स इट इज अ रॉन्ग पाथ. ऐसा नहीं है. Whenever you choose whenever you choose a new path, whenever you do something new, something that you have not done before, तो आपको कोई past experience तो होता नहीं है. ठीक है, all you are doing is यू आर फॉलोइंग योर गट फीलिंग, यू आर फॉलोइंग योर इंट्यूशन। तो जब भी आप कुछ नया करोगे या कुछ अच्छा करोगे, सही करोगे, तो एक सर्टेन लेवल ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी, वल्नरेबिलिटी आपको फील होगी। ओके, बट दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट यू आर ऑन द रॉन्ग पाथ। ओके, so whenever you keep taking the path which is walked by everyone else, there is nothing new you get. If you want to experience something new, you have to do something that people have not done till now. Okay, so कभी भी नया कुछ करने से घबराना नहीं, और अगर घबराहट होती है, then just know that it is okay to feel like this, because I'm doing something new, that's why I'm feeling like this, and there's nothing wrong in that. Okay, Scorpios in the month of October. Stress. One more. Integration and harmony. So, Scorpio, start of the month can be a bit stressful for you. Okay, you may, as I told you last time, Scorpios tend to be a little obsessed. Okay, तो अगर वो काम भी कर रहे हैं ना, तो उनको एकदम वो obsession वाला काम करना है. Okay, so that is why, I mean, the kind of your core nature is, okay, you tend to feel more stressed. So that's okay, as the time passes, you are going to feel more harmonious, more peaceful, and more integrated with your own self. Okay, so ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत स्टार्टिंग के मंथ में आपको स्ट्रेस हो सकता है, बट इट इज गोइंग टू गो अवे फॉर यू, स्कॉर्पियो. लेट्स सी आपका अक्टूबर का महीना कैसा जाने वाला है. अक्टूबर 2024. We have the Hangman, we have the Page of Swords. So you have this tendency to stalk Scorpio. इसकी वजह से भी आपको बहुत ओवर थिंकिंग और स्ट्रेस होता है. Scorpio. Some of you could also look for new opportunities on the internet. Okay, जैसे क्लाइंट ढूंढना या अपने से इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे काम करना. ओके, सो अपना कोई रिसर्च वर्क करना. तो इस तरह का कुछ काम आप, मतलब रिसर्च से रिलेटेड या और कोई चीज जिसमें यू हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ ऑनलाइन सर्फिंग. सो बेसिकली आई सी यू स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम ऑन इंटरनेट. ओके, just make sure that if you're doing it, if you're surfing on the internet, do it for something good, not to stalk other people, not to take out some gossips, because eventually वो आप ही के stress पे add on करेगा. Okay, there is so you may feel a bit of competition at your workplace, especially अगर आपके workplace में कोई नई opportunity आ रही है ना, तो आप देखोगे कि बहुत ज़्यादा competition हो गया, everybody is wanting it. मतलब एक अनार 100 बीमार. तो इस तरह से थोड़ा सा वर्कलोड, थोड़ा सा ईगो, थोड़ा कंपटीशन में इंक्रीज फॉर यू. Scorpio, good thing is that I see you connecting with someone new. There is a new beginning. Okay, और ये बहुत ही ज्यादा रोमांटिक वे में मुझे न्यू बिगिनिंग लग रही है. Scorpio, some of you're connecting with a completely new person, some of you are connecting with an old person. वैसे यहाँ पे न्यू की एनर्जी ज्यादा है. Okay, but we are not doing a love reading, so I'm not saying specifically one thing. तो यहाँ मंथ एंड में या फिर प्रॉब्ली बाय नेक्स्ट मंथ आई सी यू हैविंग सम न्यू बिगिनिंग्स, एंड ये मोस्ट लाइकली इट इज इन द मैटर ऑफ लव. ओके, यहाँ पे कुछ नया कनेक्शन मुझे दिख रहा है आपकी लाइफ में, बट दैट विल हैपन व्हेन यू सरेंडर द पास्ट. ओके, जो भी पास्ट है स्कॉर्पियो, whatever the past is, no matter how good, bad, nasty it is, you have to surrender it. Don't try to control the situation. Otherwise, it will turn to tower moment and also stress and overthinking. Okay, so when you surrender, when you do this, okay, see, जब आप surrender करते हो, then you eventually move to this, है ना. पर जब आप surrender नहीं करते हो, जब आप you become too clingy, you just want to control everything, तब फिर आप उस जगह कभी नहीं पहुंच पाओगे. Okay, so basically new opportunities coming. There is going to be stress at your workplace. You're going to spend a lot of time on internet, so make sure it is for some productive work. And also there are some new connections in the month end. Let's see what is the guidance. Scorpio के लिए क्या guidance है? Oh, I feel like कार्ड तो कुछ और फ्लिप हुआ यहाँ पे. ओके. स्कॉर्पियो, for you the card is stay connected. कुछ दिख भी नहीं रहा है सिनेमैटिक में. Okay. We are all born connected to spirit, often known as a divine source. Yet many of us have a tendency to pull away from that connection as we journey through life in the physical world. Now is an important time to reconnect to the source. So basically, your guides, your God, your deity, okay, your faith is calling you, Scorpio. You need to connect back, okay. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि कुछ दिनों से मेरा कुछ कनेक्शन हिल गया है डिवाइन सोर्स से, then it is October is especially the month when you have to go back to your divine source. You have to connect with them. ओके. सो ये जो भी सिचुएशन है, ये जो भी स्ट्रेस है ना, you will be able to overcome that if you are connected to your divine source, because that's the source of energy. अगर आप कभी भी drained और feel करते हो, you can go to your source of energy and you can claim your power, right? Energies कैसी होंगी Sagittarius? Mind and rebirth. Okay, so Sagittarius, for you, there's a lot of stress. Oh my god, ये कार्ड देखकर ही मुझे स्ट्रेस हो गया. So Sagittarius, for you there's a lot of stress, okay, like you're thinking, your mind is not in one place, okay. First thing, that you're thinking from every corner, you're thinking a lot of things, and it's just adding up to a lot of stress for you, okay. And then we have the card of rebirth. So somewhere, there is this transformation that is coming within you. So somewhere, Sagittarius, you will be realizing your worth. You will be realizing that, you know how sometimes, say if there is a donkey, no, if there is a horse in the flock of donkey, it may sometimes start acting like a donkey, but in reality it is a horse, right? So just because you are in a certain kind of environment, that does not mean that you will always belong to that environment. You may have other kind of properties, and you're going to realize that. I hope I'm making sense to you here. So basically, you're going to realize your true worth, okay, in the month of October. And it is good because once you realize it, you can stand for it, right? You can stand for yourself, and you know your true worth. Let's see what is coming for you, what you can expect in the month of October. Sagittarius. What are my Sagittarius, expecting in the month of October? Ten of Wands, बहुत काम है, बहुत काम, lot of work responsibilities. See, some of you, there is an added responsibility at your work. घर में भी हो सकता है, कहीं पे भी आपको लग सकता है. You may have lot of things on your shoulder. Okay, so I see that the time is also changing for you. Say वो rebirth वाली energy. Rebirth is also change, by the way. It is like a death card. Transformation होता है उसमें. ठीक है. Three of Cups, you're going to reconnect with your friends, family. There's going to be a good reunion for you. Okay. Work-wise, things are good, as in you will be rewarded for your efforts. And one more. Also, if you are a social media influencer, okay, if you are in social media, you are into influencing, then also it is good for you. अगर अक्टूबर का महीना, especially second half, is what I feel is good for you. Seven of Swords. ठीक है. Be careful with your money, Sagittarius. Someone might just steal your money. Someone might just take it from you. Okay, तो थोड़ा सा पैसों को लेके ध्यान में रखना है. I feel like some of you may also run away from commitment and marriages. Wheel of Fortune. October is a good time to learn new skills, especially spiritual skills, occult skills. आपको इंटरेस्ट आएगा, ऑकल्ट में आपका इंटरेस्ट बढ़ेगा, साइकोलॉजी में आपका इंटरेस्ट बढ़ सकता है. ओके, वर्क वाइज थोड़ा सा, मैंने बोला ना, स्टार्ट ऑफ द मंथ यू मे फील अ बिट ट्रेन्ड. ओके, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं प्लेट में करने के लिए, एंड देन यू फील लाइक फटीग्ड. but as the time goes, things are going to be smooth. Okay, you are also going to be rewarded for the work you do. You're going to connect with your loved ones. You're going to make new connections, go out, chill, have fun, travel. ओके, शादी और कमिटमेंट से थोड़ा सा आप बचेंगे, पैसों को लेके थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है, ठीक है, कि आपका कोई पैसा चुरा के ना लेके चला जाए या आप खो ना दे ज़्यादा पैसे. All right. So for Sagittarius, what is the guidance, Mahadev, for the month of October? Sagittarius. Nature. Wow. And eventually, Sagittarius are nature lovers. They love to travel to beautiful places that has a lot of nature, natural things, right? Mountains, beaches, forest. This is a time to absorb the healing properties that nature has to offer. Your mind, body, and soul need nourishment, energy, revitalization, and strength. Nature has much to offer, so take this time to connect and spend some quality time outdoors. Wow. So basically, it is asking you to travel. ठीक है, वो मैं आपको वैसे भी बोल रही थी कि यू विल एनीवेज गोइंग टू ट्रैवल. सो बेसिकली अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो, देन मे बी नाउ ओनली, नाउ इट इज सितंबर, राइट? यू कैन मेक सम प्लान्स टू ट्रैवल इन द अक्टूबर मंथ. कैप्रिकॉर्न की कैसी एनर्जीज रहेंगी महादेव? कैप्रिकॉर्न की एनर्जीज कैसी रहेंगी, प्लीज हमें बताइए. Oh, so Capricorn, for you we have guilt and thunderbolt. Thunderbolt is like a tower card. यहाँ पे कुछ transformation हो रहा है, कुछ change होने वाला है Capricorn. There is some guilt attached here. Okay, guilt related to a certain situation, certain person, certain past. Okay, so थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे है आपको certain level का guilt. Okay, और tower moment आ रहा है. Thunderbolt is like a tower moment. Okay, something is collapsing. There could be sudden jerk, that can come to you, and you're not going to like it initially, but as I tell about tower cards, that it is important to come in your life. Okay, so एक change आएगा यहाँ पे आपकी life में October month में. Let's get into the cards and see what kind of change are we talking about. All right, so let's see. Expect कर सकते हैं. Three of Swords, देखो. I told you guilt. Three of Swords. So there is some situation in which you may feel a little heartbroken. Okay. You feel betrayed, you feel taken advantage of, you feel like you do a lot but people don't recognize it. तो इस तरह से कुछ भी आपका एक हार्ट स्पेस में मुझे गिल्ट दिख रहा है, दर्द दिख रहा है, रिग्रेट्स. ओके. Six of Swords, जिसकी वजह से you're trying to move away from this emotional, जो एक है ना, एक ट्रोमा है, you're trying to walk away from that. देखो होता है ना कभी कभी, when we feel too traumatized, what we do, we try to avoid the situation, we try to avoid the person, or we just try to go for a travel or something. तो यहाँ पे मुझे आपका travel भी दिख रहा है, आप कर सकते हो, because you want to feel light, you want to feel better. Otherwise, you may just try to avoid the situation to heal your heart. Okay. All right, Capricorn. Eight of Cups. Oh my God. Eight of Cups. Okay. Eight of Cups यहाँ पे Four of Wands के साथ आया है. So guys, see, some of you now, I know this is not going to resonate with a lot of people, but since it's there on the cards, I have to say that some of you may also want to take some decisions with regards to your marriage. I feel like, okay, that your marriage is not serving you in the way that you would have thought. Okay, so यहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा है कुछ लोग अपनी मैरिज के बारे में इम्पोर्टेंट डिसीजन ले सकते हैं, कुछ लोग लिटरली अपनी मैरिज को छोड़ के जा सकते हैं या अपने घर से दूर जा सकते हैं. ठीक है, अगर आप मैरिड हो तो मे बी आप अपने हस्बैंड का घर छोड़ के आप कहीं बाहर रहने जा रहे हो, या आप पेरेंट्स के साथ रहते हो एंड यू आर प्लानिंग टू लीव योर हाउस एंड गोइंग समवेयर एल्स. सो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ट्रैवल मुझे दिख रहा है, रिलोकेशन दिख रहा है, बट उसकी जो वजह है वो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे एक बहुत ही ड्रेन्ड आउट एनर्जी दिख रही है कि मैं त्रस्त हो गई हूँ आप लोगों से, इसलिए मैं जा रही हूँ. That is the kind of energy I'm picking up here. Okay, so I know it is not going to resonate with a lot of people, but I feel like give me one more card for Capricorn. ठीक है? And I guess this is the change that we were talking about. Some of you may change your house, you may relocate to a new house, a new place. See, don't take any hurry decision when it comes to finances. मैं आपको वही बोलूँगी, क्योंकि पैसों को लेके, घर या फैमिली को लेके, या यू नो एंसेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टी को लेके, ओके, डू नॉट मेक हेस्टी डिसीजंस. फिर वो आप बाद में आपको पछताना पड़ सकता है. ओके, सो इसलिए थोड़ा सा समझ के बूझ के कोई भी अगर बड़ा डिसीजन लेने जा रहे हो, मे बी टेक हेल्प ऑफ एन एक्सपर्ट, consult with some people, and then finally take a call. Okay, for some of you, you may also get a new job opportunity, job, work, career, business. ऐसा कुछ opportunity भी आपको आता हुआ मुझे दिख रहा है. ठीक है? What is your guidance, Capricorn, for the month of October? Oh, I've got two cards. One is a child's love, another one is support. The love between a parent and child is one of the most precious and deep connections we make during our time on earth. Children start out as part of us, and from their first cries they establish themselves as the biggest part of our hearts. So basically, some of you are guided towards being near your children, spend your time with your children, take care of your children. Okay, and if you don't have children, then you can also take care of small children, मतलब जो बच्चे और किसी के हो सकते हैं, गरीब बच्चे हो सकते हैं. You can serve them, you can maybe take care of their studies, you can help them with your health. So a lot of things you can do. I mean, it doesn't have to be your own children, it can be children anywhere outside. Okay, support. People come into your life for many different reasons. Some you learn from and then they move on, while others return, often because you need to learn more from those individuals. Others remain beside you throughout your entire life. So basically, just know that in the month of October, people are going to come into your life and they're going to leave. And when they are leaving you, it is okay for them to leave. Okay, just understand that not everyone has come into your life to stay forever. ओके, लोग जो सोल्स आपकी लाइफ में होती हैं, दे कम विद सर्टेन पर्पस. ओके, और दे हैव अ सर्टेन कर्मा अटैच्ड टू यू. एक बार वो कर्मा फिनिश होता है तो सोल्स चली जाती हैं. ओके, सो डोंट ट्राई टू क्लिंग ऑन टू पीपल इज व्हाट दे आर सेइंग. ठीक है, अगर कोई आपकी लाइफ से जा रहा है, जस्ट नो दैट देयर पर्पस इज सर्व्ड इनटू योर लाइफ एंड नाउ दे हैव टू लीव. ओके, सो डोंट क्लिंग ऑन टू इट, जस्ट एक्सेप्ट इट एंड मूव ऑन. ऑलराइट कैप्रिकॉर्न, एक्वेरियस की एनर्जीज कैसी रहेंगी महादेव, पहले हमें वो बताइए. एक्वेरियस की एनर्जीज अक्टूबर में कैसी रहेंगी? So we have home, we have so many cards: rebel, completion, politics, breakthrough. So Aquarius, see, of course, Aquarius is a rebel because Aquarius is a sign that likes to do things in the modern way. Okay, Aquarius को conservativeness बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. Even though it is ruled by Saturn, like Capricorn is very conservative, but Aquarius is a modern sign. Okay, so definitely Aquarius, आप rebel हो, आपको आपकी बहुत ही rebellious energy is going to stay in the month of October, which means you're not going to do things the way society does it. Okay, you want something new, and that is why Aquarius is also co-ruled by Rahu, क्योंकि राहु को भी क्या है, unconventional चीजें पसंद होती है, just like Aquarius, right? There's going to be some completions, you're going to complete some task. अगर कुछ deadline, कुछ pending था तो वो भी आप complete करोगे, and there is a sense of achievement कि हाँ चलो मैंने कर लिया finally. Okay, some of you may feel experience some politics either at your home or in your workplace. Just be careful. You may also come across people who are false, fake, like they're keeping a mask on their faces, they are not what they show themselves to be. So you'll have to be very careful who you trust on in the month of October. At the end, there's going to be some breakthrough. So basically, no matter how much people try to fool you, but eventually you're going to catch them, you're going to catch hold of them. Okay, because you are an Aquarius sign, you are very scientific, you're very logical. At the same time, you're also very humanitarian in nature, right? So Aquarius को आप झूठ नहीं बोल सकते. They will catch you today or tomorrow. All right, Aquarius. एक्वेरियस क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं अक्टूबर 2024 में? महादेव प्लीज मुझे बताइए. पेज ऑफ कप, सबसे पहले तो समवन इज गोइंग टू कन्फेस, समवन इज गोइंग टू रीच आउट, समवन इज गोइंग टू मैसेज, कॉल. ओके, सो यहाँ पे कुछ है नया. Oh, some of you are also getting new love, by the way. Oh my god. Actually, out of the 4 cards, 3 cards are all about new energy. So something new is definitely coming for you, Aquarius. Either in terms of love, either in terms of finances, either in terms of your business clients. So कुछ एक है जो यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा मुझे दिख रहा है. Give me one more card, please. Finances definitely आपके अच्छे हो रहे हैं. Oh my god, look at that. See, Page of Cups, Ace of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. Oh my god. And let me tell you guys, these 2 cards are same. Okay, I told you that you're going to break through, you're going to understand. And then you have Ace of Swords, which is again breakthrough. So no matter which card I pull, it is going to be the same. Oh my god, this is crazy, and I'm so happy because I'm Aquarius Lagna. That's so amazing. Wow. So I think October is the month of new beginnings for you, Aquarius, in terms of everything. Like कुछ लोगों के लिए सिर्फ करियर में होगा, कुछ के लिए प्यार में होगा, कुछ के लिए शादी में होगा, कुछ के लिए फैमिली में होगा, कुछ के लिए पैसों में होगा, बट और कुछ के लिए सब में हो सकता है. ओके, बट देर इज गोइंग टू बी न्यू एनर्जीज. यहाँ पे मैं 7 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स को 7 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स को क्लैरिफाई करती हूँ. महादेव प्लीज 7 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स को क्लैरिफाई कीजिए. So Aquarius, see, I feel like you're going to get rid of your deep rooted fears. Okay, obsession. अगर आपको past में किसी person से कोई obsession था, so basically I feel like कि जो भी आपके limiting beliefs है ना Aquarius, कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, मैं मुझसे ऐसा नहीं होगा, I'm not good enough, I don't look good, I'm ugly, I'm this, I'm that, जो भी आपके self limiting beliefs है ना, all those are going to lift up in the month of October. And once that happens, okay, you are going to receive abundance left, right, center, like from every angle. Wow, I mean, wow, such a beautiful reading. This is so beautiful, Aquarius. There is a lot. I mean, now you just have to be very excited about October because there is something like too good for you, waiting for you, Aquarius. You just have to wait for the time to unfold it. All right, let's see what is the guidance. Aquarius के लिए guidance क्या है महादेव? Intuitive nudges. Intuition is the language of the soul. We are all born aware with a profound sense of inner knowing. Intuition is one of the greatest gifts we possess, which keeps us connected to our higher selves, the universe, and to the divine spirit. Exactly. So, what they're trying to say is, your intuition is going to kick in so many times. It's going to come kick in the month of October, and you have to follow it. You don't have to, so don't ignore your intuition. See, if it is looking all golden all shiny on the top, but there is something in you which is saying that something is wrong, then please believe in your gut feeling, believe in your intuition. So more than what your eyes can see or more than what your ears can hear, you have to follow what you're feeling. Okay, अक्टूबर में, क्योंकि मैंने कहा ना यहाँ पे आपको पॉलिटिक्स का कार्ड आया है, विच मीन्स कहीं ना कहीं आपको एक मास्ड लोग मिलेंगे, मास्ड सिचुएशन मिलेगी। तो आप उसको कैसे फिगर आउट कर पाओगे? इफ यू डोंट लिसन टू योर इंट्यूशन, डोंट लिसन टू योर गट फीलिंग, हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू फिगर दैट आउट, राइट? सो डोंट इग्नोर इट। वाह, स्पाइसेस की एनर्जीज अक्टूबर में कैसी रहने वाली हैं? माइंड, वन मोर, पाइसेस की एनर्जीज अक्टूबर में कैसे रहने वाली हैं? करेज। सी Pisces, there is going to be a lot of stress, okay, in your mind. Maybe you are thinking of 100 things together, which is why it is causing so much of stress. Like your mind is everywhere, all over the place, okay, and you don't feel focused. Because if I try to multitask, if I try to give my attention to 10 things, I may not do anything perfectly, right? But if I focus on one thing, then I may do it correctly. So try not to distract your mind into 100 things. And when you're doing something, just do that. Focus on that. You know, keep your phone aside. Don't keep any distractions near you. Somewhere I feel that in the second half you're going to have a lot of courage. You're going to stand for yourself. You're going to feel powerful, basically. All right. Let's see, Pisces. लेट्स सी पाइसेस के लिए क्या आ रहा है अक्टूबर में? नाइन ऑफ कप्स, देयर इज दिस विश फुलफिलमेंट, देयर इज दिस इमोशनल कंटेंटमेंट, ओके, you feel happy, you are satisfied with yourself. You may make new connections at work. Somewhere there is this like professional network may grow. If you're a business owner, again, your professional network may grow. You may get more clients. You may expand your business, right? Some of you, your department could also change, by the way. Like you may either receive new roles and responsibilities within the same job profile or department, or your department could change and you can move to another department. Okay. Soul and strength. So look at this. We have courage card जो आपके लिए आया था, ठीक है, ओशो zen में, and this is what? Can you read? This is strength. Can you read that? Hopefully you can read that, strength. Okay. So again, it's the same card from different decks. So there is going to be wish fulfillment. As I told you, your professional network is going to increase. You can connect more people. Okay. You may want to take some risk. Okay. आप कुछ नया स्टार्ट कर सकते हो या करने का सोच सकते हो. मे बी ऑल दिस वाइल यू कुड बी ऑलरेडी थिंकिंग ऑफ स्टार्टिंग समथिंग, बट शायद आप नहीं कर पा रहे थे, एंड देन यू फाइनली गेट द करेज टू डू इट. ओके. सो यहाँ पे मुझे आई कैन सी दैट यू आर मोर इन द एनर्जी ऑफ टेकिंग रिस्क. यू आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स समथिंग न्यू, समथिंग दैट अनकन्वेंशनल, समथिंग दैट यू मे हैव नॉट ट्राइड बिफोर. ओके. यहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ा सा ना मेंटल बैगेज या मेंटल स्ट्रेस दिख रहा है मुझे. और the worst part is that you're not discussing it with anyone. Like you're not telling people how stressed you feel from within. You're just feeling it. Okay. So maybe October is the month where you also went out your emotions, went out your fatigue. Okay. Um, Maybe take a therapy consultation, talk with people, talk with friends, so whatever helps you in this situation, Pisces. But don't let a lot of burden come onto your heart. Okay. All right. Pisces के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है महादेव, प्लीज हमें बताइए. Pisces के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है? Ground yourself, of course. Being distracted, unfocused, tired. मैं क्या बोल रही थी आपको? This is what I was telling you. कि starting में when I was discussing your energy, I was telling you that you need to keep your mind in one place, and that is when you can be more productive, and that's exactly what your guidance is also saying. So being distracted, unfocused, tired, irritated, and impatient are all signs that you are not grounded. Now is the time to become centered and allow spirit to help you ground yourself and reconnect with the divine source. So basically do meditate, do you can walk on you can walk barefoot on the grounds, right? You can um basically if you go onto my Instagram, I've also done given you some remedies how you can ground yourself, okay, in my recent reels which I made on root chakra. Okay, so there is definitely grounding required for you, Pisces. Otherwise, you will keep facing this continuous fatigue, this stress, this burning out. Like you are getting exhausted a lot. You can also travel to mountain region, okay, to feel better. So basically, do your grounding, Pisces, and it is all going to be fine for you. Okay, just give it some time. Show the courage that is needed, and start venting out. Okay, if you don't feel happy about something, say it. If you feel sad, say it. Have someone to speak with. Okay. All right. So this is about your readings for the month of October, guys. Do let me know once this comes through in the comment. I really, really feel appreciated when you guys comment on my videos because it actually adds up as a motivation. I want to read more and more when you support me like that. Okay. So a like, a comment, a share, maybe a subscribe. This all helps me feel a lot more motivated and to work towards giving you guys more reading and more guidance. Okay, thank you so much for subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really love you guys. I think in the next few weeks I'm going to upload your love readings as well, so you make sure you wait for that. Okay, I hope everything goes well with you. You take care. Bye.